Day 4 of the Little Noise Sessions, and I think this is going to be a very intriguing and very special night. Lots of surprises along the way. So we've got Corinne Bailey-Rae, and her voice has never sounded more beautiful. And then Richard Hawley himself. He's made a great album, really, really great album. He's going to be great.
The atmosphere has been really good backstage, and people are just walking around and chatting. It feels amazing, and the fact that it's still used as a church as well. I think you really get a feel of that. I feel quite at home actually.
And it is, of course, a delightful Corinne Bailey-Rae.
I got involved because Jo Whiley asked us, and obviously with the Mencap thing we said yes straight away.
Please make some noise for Mr. Richard Hawley.
I've actually wanted to play a gig here for years. I mean, you can't play very loud. They've got like a noise restriction of 85 dB, which is basically like people talking at a bus stop.
Please would you welcome to the stage Mr. Alex Turner.
Alex from the Arctic Monkeys is getting up to do one of his songs, Only Ones Who Know.
No, I wanted to do one of his, I assure you.
It sounded great in soundcheck, and he'd never done it before. He was just bob on straight away.
I'm sure you could have made it so much better on your own. You're the only ones who know. Thank you.
It was really beautiful.
Total privilege. It's a wonderful night.
Alex Turner? What the hell was he doing there?
The song that Alex Turner did with Richard Hawley was amazing.
And in such an intimate venue as well, it just really hits you.
It was a great night, really special.